Hi, I'm Freddie Spencer, three-time world champion and the youngest rider to win the top class. Until now.
20 years old, the youngest ever winner in the Premier class.
The Valenciana circuit is a very special layout. It has hard braking and acceleration spots, amazing straightaways. I've never raced it, but this track is definitely a favorite for some of the riders on the grid, especially that rookie who loves to use his elbow. Was it that hard to wait a couple of years, really? With the 4T and the traction control, anybody can ride that. Now you can start the bikes without having to push them halfway around the racetrack like I did in the old days. Mark, I'm going to be watching you very close from the 7th to the 9th of November right here at the Valenciana circuit.
See you there, Freddie.